This segment is sponsored by Jacobs Financial Services. On this day that we celebrate America, why not also celebrate the American dream of financial security well into your golden years? Tom Jacobs is here from Jacobs Financial Services to tell us how it's done. And Tom, I know it takes discipline and some planning, right?
Amen. But first of all, happy 4th of July.
Thank you. And to you too, Tom.
It definitely takes discipline and planning, and it's an easy thing to kick the can down the road. It's an easy thing, just kind of, I'll worry about that later. We'll think about that next year. And, with what's going on in the market right now, we're seeing a significant decline. We've hit a bear market for the first time in decades. People are really frozen. They don't know what to do. So let me just share this. Let's pretend you and I, we're at Cedar Point. And thank God we're not there today, because imagine the lines. But just pretend we're at Cedar Point. We're going to ride the highest roller coaster that's there. And for the last decade, the momentum has just been pushing us up, click, click, click. We've just been going up. But about November, we got to the top of that roller coaster, and now the momentum is down. We've got incredibly rising interest rates, super inflation. We are in a bear market, and I think it's going to get worse. So we're at the top. We're slowly starting to come down. The momentum is down. Do we get off here? Do we get off here? Do we ride the damn thing to the bottom? So my point is, don't let fear paralyze you and do nothing. The best thing you could do is reposition, get out of the market, and keep that money safe.
Yeah. How do you advise folks to keep the money safe?
Well, we use insurance products as opposed to securities products. We don't invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds. We use insurance products that are guaranteed to protect your principal, provide a lifetime of income if that's what you want to use it for. And just so we're clear, my clients aren't 20. I mean, they're not 30, they're not 40. Those folks, they've got the time to go up and down the roller coaster at Cedar Point. But if you're approaching retirement, you're already retired. Gosh, you just simply need to take less risk. You've got less time to recover. Let's get off the roller coaster and protect that important nest egg.
These are fear-inducing times when you talk about having gone over the rise on the roller coaster. And so talk a little bit about what folks get when they meet with you and you help them, create a vision for the future.
Well, we believe that people need to know, or they have a right to know, that their money is in a spot where they can't lose it. So we're gonna put together what we call the Jacobs Retirement Roadmap. It's a trademark document. I have one of them in front of me here. It's basically a binder, and this binder takes you through from where you are today to the finish line. And we're going to look at all the moving parts along the way. So how do we claim Social Security? What do we do with pensions? How do we take our required distributions when we hit 72? But more importantly, what are we doing with the money that we have worked so hard to save, and where is that invested? And we're going to show you some places you can invest your money where it's not at risk. You won't lose it. If the markets go up, you're going to enjoy some of the up. But if the markets continue to go down, you're absolutely safe. You're never going to lose one penny.
You told me who your typical client is not, and that's the younger folks who can ride the volatility a bit. Who is your typical client?
Our typical clients are folks that are approaching retirement, maybe in the next 3 to 7 years. So they're thinking and they're starting to plan, or perhaps they're already retired. So typically my clients are folks that are 55 to 75.
How do they pay you, Tom?
I'm so glad you asked. How they don't pay me is they don't pay me fees. Most advisors are what are called fiduciaries. They charge a fee. If your account's making money, they're charging you. If you're losing money, they're charging you. I don't believe in a fee-based structure. I am paid commissions. The companies that we represent, they pay me, and they pay me one time. It's an upfront commission. I therefore don't have to charge our clients, and we don't charge our clients any fees whatsoever.
All right. And so folks, it's as easy as just contacting you, right? They can go on your website or give you a call and schedule that first appointment to sit down and find out what you're all about.
In that first few minutes, it's just a discovery meeting to see if we're a good fit, see if we can help you. You might want to give us a call. I'll send you a copy of my free book, Retirement Domination, Play to Win. No strings attached. Give us a call. We'll have it in your mailbox by the end of the week.
All right. Phone number's on the screen, the website, jacobsfs.com. Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.